Hi folks, this is Mike from TradeStalker.com. I'll give you a quick video recap of how the market acted today on a down day for a change around the numbers on Monday, January the 29th. Okay, we had a lower open today. We opened under, this was a initial support. We opened below it, and then there was an immediate bounce here. So we bounced for we bounced for 15 minutes and we stalled out for 5 minutes here, which set up a really nice shorting opportunity. And then the first pullback was a quick move down to this support zone and a bounce. The bounce again stalled out 5 minutes here. You can see a 5-minute bar going nowhere, and then boom, got hit again. Finally took us under support again, and then this became resistance. It was turned away. We had a pullback. The second bounce up here set up a nice short, and then we had a 15-minute drop, and then another step up, and we were, so it's a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 down here to 24.5. They missed our next zone, which is at 60.5, 59.5. We came down here to 54.5. So it was, I'm sorry, it was it was down, this support was at 60.5, 59.5. In any case, we bounced back from 54.5, took out this, I'm sorry, we'll get back to that, this low here. Came back, this is a 60.5, 59.5. Bounced above it, came back down to 60.5, just below, I'm sorry, just down below 59.5 at a 59 level. Quickly turned up, held. And then we made this move back to the this area here, and you see we went stalled out here. Then there was a quick poke up, came right back down and held. So this is a sign to get short here. If we didn't, there's a drift and a little pop up. But this is the area we're going to be short under, this area here. This was the 66.5, 67 area. That was the initial pivotal support. Okay, then we came back down, we tagged. This was a major uptrend support. This is at 60, at 60.5, 59.5. Came down again to 59.25. This bounce, I said we could get up to around the 64 area. They hit 64.5 in this little wedge here, and then we got hit here again in the last 45 minutes. The bounces were not sticking. We're selling bounces today, and then they came right down through. So if we could, I said at the end of the day we could come down to the last 53, 52 zone. We came right down here to 51.5. So they took it out by 2 ticks. We turned back up. We just missed old support, and it was, well, by a half a point. They came up to 59 again. Came back down here to from 59 back down to the let's see here, we got 52.5 here before we close. So as you can see, this turned into resistance here. We had this become new support after it was taken out here. New support. This here was this whole area and sideways stuff here was really good action for shorts. This bounce this was a target, and this was only a bounce for a setup for another shorting opportunity. So, and then back down to our third support zone for today at 53, 52. So hey, and one last thing, the VIX, I said that I telling our group all along that if we had a down day that the VIX could really pop, and today was up about 16%, maybe more, to take a peek here. In any case, a big day on the VIX, and that portends, well, I'll tell members tonight, and you guys, I hope you had a great day today. It was a good day to trade by the numbers, and to be with the new trend, and things might be making a change here. we'll discuss this in tonight's update. So I hope you had a great trading day today, and have a great trading day tomorrow, and have a great evening. Take care.